She is blonde, a beautiful shade of blonde. She's so soft. I love fresh wigs. She is a mono wig, which means that it is not lace front. You don't have to cut it. You don't have to shape it or anything. It is already perfect. You just pull the little tabby things and place them where you want them. So now it is much smaller and perfect for my head size. I am in love. It feels so natural. It feels so good on my head, and it is so comfortable and secured, and it is perfect. It's already perfect on me. Like, that took 2 seconds to do. It's so easy. It looks very natural to my head. And even the front looks very, very natural. I've seen tons of wigs that look very unnatural, but this one I am so pleased with because it makes me feel like I have hair. It's so beautiful. I will show you the back. As you can see, it looks very nice.